Oh guys, welcome to Nini Muchinda Womandoro Msango Rizarima. Throughout this battle nyaya diki guys, nyaya diki sinyaombe. Pane chinhu chiri kukonzeresa death rate kuti itokompita nedeath rate right now. Icho tobva titaura pamusoro pezvacho ichocho. Kana munhu achigwara ngaadye zvinonaka, kwete kuomera munhu achigwara akasungiririra mari mumaoko. Munhu achigwara achigona kudya zvinozonaka, munhu unogwara unodya zvinozonaka. Pane zvimavhokuvhoko, pane zvidhiringi zvinenge zvichimwirwa, zvimutetsu zvimunyemba, zvirude zvimadora, zvimazaizai zvinonyatsokuibva, nokuti mugwere unofanira kudya zvinozonaka. Kwete kuti uri mugwerezve hautopiwe chikafu, iwezve kaune mari wakazongirira mari yako. Unofunga kuti anoita bhizi mari yako inoti wesha kunjira. Motopinde bhizi kudya zvinonaka. Kana une mari tokuona uchidya zvinonaka. Zvinonaka zvisi zvakarepekwa zviri mumapepa akanaka aiwa ikavha yakanaka, but izvo zviri mukati zvezvinaka here. Muzarima wemondoro ndaitokoda sarafina uchitondida ukatora ngura dzako. Take my punch no matter what they say. Take my punch no matter what they could speak. Produce banana. Wemondoro kuramba njitokinya. Muzarima sarvina pachigaro. Fina muchinda wemondoro. Ndigumini sina kuchikara. Ndianiko nasunopikisa. Okay guys, I wish you wanna join me as I'm going to stream just to shoot the video. The song morokonzo ndicharamba nchitokuda muchinda womondoro Msango Rizarima. Sarafina nazvipira. Ndipe nguva uone zvandichave. Ndipe nguva uone zvandinoda. Mupe nguva uone zvandichaita nenhano yekokoda. Bakukuda muchinda wemondoro. Bakukuda Sarafina Muzarima. Bakukuda Sarafina nazvipira. Kutokuda Sarafina uratidze. Yeah, muchinda wemondoro atotoipisa my sounds acho. So that guys, come and join me as I'm going to shoot the video of this song. Else you wanna go and play this song at muchinda wemondoro pa audio maker nditika kana kufinda my link are down below. I have been already posted by either by Facebook kana kuti almost by Facebook okuenda pa Google okuenda pa Facebook ndipo mutomuona malingi anokuendesa kuchinyi audio make. So guys, thank you very much for watching this. I'm going to open up the new section. You know, the most platform that you like, the TikTok. While me, I'm the YouTube. I like to stream on YouTube and in Facebook and so forth. But in Venom, I'm going to do Instagram. Also follow me in Muchinda Womondoro. So right now, I'm preparing to open another new TikTok account that is suitable to my environment and network that I'm using right now. Ndigare nchitoziya, ndiimbise ndigare nechivimbo. Bagundida ndovimba nakatochaja. Iwewe kewe. You know that it's all about love. Love is very difficult to almost each and every day. So that you must see been through. Love is very difficult and it's not any easy. So that it's all concerned about money. So if you don't have money, the money is looking for you. Sometimes love can be a problem for you. Or else if you got money, if you got money, almost sometimes the love wanna be the problem for you, just because lots of people that are going to think that you are doing this and that and so. But all about life, you just live the way you want to live. After some moment, you're going to find that someone is wishing you to remove you from freedom. Freedom is the best thing that you want to do. That is the richest form that you wish they tell and freedom and to do everything that you want to do. But sometimes you think it's going to be happening, you want to lose that happiness, but where you are still wishing to have that happiness. So it's not all about what we plan, it's what we think that is going to happen in our life. Some things they've been caused by some people, it's just because we live with the people. So people can cause you to draw you down or else to draw you up. So mind out when you are linking with people. Music is so good. I'm saying this again to you, the audience. Music is very good. So guys, don't forget to like and comment on my YouTube channel, or just to follow me on Muchinda Wamadova Master Surrender on Facebook. Go bend through the Google is the first search engine that you're using right now, so that Google is the best platform that you're going to find me there, Muchinda Wamandoro. Lots of people they say Muchinda Wamandoro, but you don't know you Muchinda Wamandoro, but you know what, you must know me more than what you go, nothing that you're going to know me. You just play on Google, you're going to understand it. Where I am Muchinda Wamandoro, and where I'm going, and where I'm from, and where I am here right now, so that Muchinda Wamandoro Muzarima Salvina Pachigaro Jeumambo Nangoti Ukashira Zaravina Mochinawe Mondoro Andi Gumende Sina Kuchikara Ziani Kona Suno Pikisa. Okay, just eat zvinonaka to build your body. Always eat zvinonaka, build your body. First of all, build your body. Before you build anything, build your body first. Sometimes in life, you give your partner time so that we're going to show you how much how much she or how much he loves you. Okay guys, thank you very much for doing this. Watch me on my next video where I'm going to. But don't forget also, I told you about it. I need you to be on my class to stream with me. Muchinda Woman are going to shoot the video about this song. So you wanna go on audio making and then search for that song, Take Me Throne from Muchinda Woman. And don't forget to like and follow on Audio Maki also, just because we're going to release more songs and then even notification through your emails. You can't follow Muchinda Woman or whenever where I post my videos if you don't have any Google account email address that is working up to date, so that I'm inspiring you to use upgraded phone and upgrade your phone each and every time. Use a network that is very high, have good 3G, 4G, 5G and so forth. You always keep on updating your phone, so that you're going to be with me, Muchinda Wamandoro, where I'm streaming so higher and you're streaming to so higher. So stream with me wherever where you want it, and me I'm going to stream with you wherever where you want it. So follow me, Muchinda Wamandoro, and I'll never disappoint you. Next time I'm going to show you Serafina. Lots of people they say that where is Serafina and where is Serafina. I'm going to show you Serafina on my next video. I don't even give you some information under description, but I just give you information on this video mostly. So next I'm under research right now. I'm going to give you the research that I've got about the education sector each and every day.